Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how I made $75 with a small YouTube channel of only 6 subscribers and less than a month of posting. Now I need you to watch all the way till the end, because if you do, you'll have all the information that you need to go out there and make at least $25 pretty much guaranteed, and that's within 24 hours from now. And also the same $75 that I was able to make, and you can make even more than that, right? All within 24 hours from now if you just do the same things that I did. All right, so just make sure you hang on, right, all the way till the end, because if you miss certain steps, then this might not necessarily work for you. Okay, now if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Christian. Welcome to my channel. I am Christian M, a place where I decided to document my attempted journey to financial independence. And financial independence might have several meanings for different people, but in our case, we're just simply trying to get to the point where we are generating enough in passive income to cover our living expenses. So if that kind of stuff is of interest to you, please do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps to satisfy the YouTube gods and get it out there to more people that could benefit from this information. Okay, so $75 in with a small YouTube channel. Okay, so I just want to use this as a way to dispel some common myths out there. Okay, a lot of people think that in order to make money on YouTube, you have to have tons of subscribers, right? Or you got to get thousands or millions of views, right? And that is just not the case. Okay, like I've known that not to be true for a while, but I've just gone ahead and proven it, okay, with actually something beyond, if I'm being honest, I didn't necessarily expect to make the money that I made that quickly with this new channel that I recently started. Okay, and it's understandable why people would think that, because the only way that, in fact, not the only way, the most common way that people that are even aware of the fact that you can make money with YouTube, the most common way that they know of is just through the YouTube partner program, right? Where by YouTube shares their ad revenue of companies that place advertisements on videos, right? They share that revenue with you through something called AdSense, right? That's AdSense money that a lot of YouTubers aspire to, and that's what most people who are aware of being able to make money on YouTube, that's what most people think of when it comes to making money on YouTube, creating content, right? Only through the AdSense program. Well, there are other ways to generate income with YouTube, okay? And the money that I made is clearly not from the AdSense or from the YouTube partner program. And why is that? Because in order to be part of the YouTube partner program, you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers, as well as 4,000 watch hours, right, within the previous 12 months. Okay, and that is a huge barrier to entry for a lot of people. Okay, as a matter of fact, I just recently learned that 97% of YouTube channels out there are not monetized. Okay, 97% of YouTube channels out there are not monetized. So, and for the average channel that is monetized, it usually takes people on average about 22 months, so almost 2 years, right? So those are some pretty daunting figures. A lot of people are not willing to stick it out for that amount of time, right? And even if they do succeed, the odds are still stacked up against you, because pretty much only 3% of people who try this end up making it, based on those numbers. But anyway, we're not worried about all that, because what I'm going to share with you is something that does, it's a much lower barrier to entry, and you can start generating income. Like I said, if you follow everything till the end, you could possibly make this money, right, within 24 hours from now. Okay, it's really like I'm not pulling your legs. It really is that straightforward. So what did I use to generate this $75? Okay, it was a very simple and basic concept that you might or might not be familiar with, but it's affiliate marketing. Okay, but don't run just yet, right? I don't want you to feel like, I know, yeah, you might be one of those that has heard about affiliate marketing. You're like, okay, whatever, like, and then you skip away. Now, this is not your typical affiliate marketing, simply because the incentive for the people who are getting on board with whatever it is you're promoting is huge, right? Which makes it a much easier sale to make. Okay, so the company that I was an affiliate for is it's actually a personal finance company, an online banking company called SoFi, right? SoFi Bank. You may or may not have heard of them. Okay. But they are a major online bank, and they are running a really good promotion at the moment, right? So time is of the essence if you decide you want to do this, right? Who knows how much longer they're going to be running this promo, but basically they are running a promo whereby if you sign up if you get like your friends, or if you refer people to join them. So if you just go open an account, you might not get this $25 guarantee that I saw. Like, I don't know that for a fact, but if you just want to guarantee yourself making $25, you need to use my link in the description below this video. And what that will do when you open an account is that you will get $25 for free, guaranteed, as soon as you deposit $50 inside the account. Okay, so that's how you can get that $25 guaranteed. Now, unfortunately, this is one of those things that is only going to work if you are a U.S. citizen or a U.S. resident. Okay, so if you are like an international viewer, right, and you're not based in the U.S., this is not something that's going to work for you, because you have to be a resident of the U.S. in order to do this. Okay, so for starters, that's just $25, right? But what you need to do when you open up the account, when you go through the sign-up process, they're going to prompt you to connect your current existing bank account so that you can transfer money in there, the $50, right? But that's going to take a while. What you want to do is fund your account, right? All you need to do is put in $50, but use the bank issued debit card of your existing bank account right now. Deposit $50 in there, and you will get $25 for free. That's guaranteed. In my case, it took about 15 to 20 minutes after depositing that money, and I got the $25 right away. Now, here's the kicker. Here's how I made that $75 on top of the $25, how you can do it too. They are running this promo whereby if you refer anybody, whether your friends, whatever the case may be, for each person that you refer to open an account with them, and this is a high yield savings account, by the way, so this is not just your regular typical brick and mortar bank account where that pays virtually nothing in interest. These guys pay up to 4.6% in interest. So if you had $10,000 sitting in that account and you did nothing, you would make $460 by the end of the year for just having that money sit there. Okay, so that's pretty significant. Now, if you refer someone, for each person that you refer to open an account, you will make $75, right? And what I did was tell people about it on this YouTube channel, right? At the time, I only had 6 subscribers, all right? And there is a very good chance that the money that I made, that $75 for the referral, that I made when I posted a video on this channel about it, that someone signed up, there's a good chance that it was not even one of my subscribers. Okay, so this is to dispel that myth that you have to have tons of subscribers in order to make a sale, all right? And I say that because on that particular video, I got several way more views on that video than I had subscribers. I think that video got up to, like, I think now at the time of this recording, it might be up to like 30 something views or so. But at the time, back then, when I did get the sale, I think it got up to 20 something views, right? But at the time, I only had 6 subscribers. So if you create a video that in YouTube's eyes is of value to others, that people want to watch, and people want to watch and they're gaining something from it, they will push your video out. Okay, So don't think that you have to have a ton of subscribers to make sales. And by the way, in case you're wondering, how did I do this? To get the sale on YouTube, when you sign up with SoFi Bank, they will give you your own unique referral link, right? That if you share with friends, like on social media, Facebook, wherever the case may be, you share that link and someone clicks on that link and signs up, that's how they know the sale came from you, because it's a unique link. It's a link that is unique to you and only you, right? And what I did was I took that link, I put it in the description of my YouTube video, and told people that, hey, if this is of interest to them and how it can benefit them, they just need to click that link and sign up, like I'm telling you to do right now. Okay, so the only way to get that affiliate link, right, is you have to sign up for an account yourself. Okay, so if you do that, right, like I told you, within 24 hours from now, if you go ahead, use my link below, sign up, use your existing bank issued debit card. It can't be like a PayPal or prepaid Visa card. It has to be a bank issued debit card. Deposit $50 into the account, and within 15 to 20 minutes, or say an hour or so, I don't know. In my case, it took 15 minutes, right? You will see a welcome bonus of $25, right? And you can take that money out, do whatever you want with it. They'll also send you a debit card in the mail, by the way. Okay, I got mine, I've been using it, right? And as a matter of fact, I'll actually probably create another video after this to show you the details, show you the inside of my SoFi bank account and everything. Because this, by the way, this bank account is one that I intend to use to put most of my, in fact, 90% of the money, actually all of my savings, right, like that I generate from all the activities that I do on this channel. Okay, because remember, I'm documenting everything from scratch, and the reason I'm doing that is because of that really good interest rate of 4.6%. okay, and your typical brick and mortar bank, they'll insure your money up to $250,000 FDIC insurance. SoFi Bank does the same, but then they've also partnered with other banks where they're able to cover you for up to $2 million, right? So if you had $1 million and you put it inside there, you would be making $46,000 per year in interest alone. Okay, so that is pretty good, and that's part of that financial independence. If I were able to amass $1 million and keep in there, I would be financially independent, as I described at the beginning of this video, because that would cover my living expenses. Okay, now would I be balling and doing no, right? But at least I would be financially independent based on the definition that I gave you at the beginning of this video. All right, so that's that. It's as simple as that. Okay, at the time of this recording now, I think I'm up to 13 subscribers or so, but back then when I did it, I only had 6 subscribers. I hadn't posted on this YouTube channel. I'd been posting on this channel at the time for way less than a month. Okay, I probably only had, I don't know how many I had, probably definitely less than 20 videos up, right? Okay, so it's really that simple. But you don't even have to go that route if you don't want to, right? If you don't want to do the whole YouTube thing, you can simply open the account and go tell your friends, right? If you have your spouse, tell them. Make sure you open 2 separate accounts. Don't open a joint account. You open yours, get your $25 bonus if you use my link below, right? Because I think you have to have been referred in order to get that welcome bonus. So do that. Then tell your spouse or your kids that are of age and all that, get them to open individual accounts as well. And for each one of them, you'll get an additional $75, right? So get 10 people, that's $750 right there. Okay, all right. So that's if you want to make $1,000, you're looking at roughly 13 people. All right, somewhere there. All right, I'm sure you have that many friends, maybe. But that's it. Like literally within 24 hours from now, if you do that, you can make $100. And that is essentially what I did in order to make that $75. And guess what? Since it works, that is the sort of thing that, I would double down and try to make, I might have I could start, for example, have another YouTube channel, right? And and make more videos around that, right? And let people know it's you can do this too, okay? You can do this too. The opportunity is there for anybody that is willing to just put in a little bit of work, okay? It's not crazy. It's not crazy hard work or anything. So why not? Why not? It's decent money. So anyway, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, put it in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer. And I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.